guys, off we go.
Yay! This is what I don't like. Hold my own weight.
Jesus Christ, it's higher than Legoland.
Oh yeah, be a bit faster as well. Here we go! Hey! You alive up there?
Yeah. There's a bit that I won't
This
like.
is the bit I won't like. Oh, that's not too bad actually. You can go up as high as I thought you could go up to. The brakes aren't too bad on this either.
This is a great ride.
Yeah.
Guys, please exit to you.